Listen, Caribbean millionaires. Ladies, I wish somebody told me that the better I get with my money, the more I manage it, the better discipline I get at it, I will be more attractive to my man. Listen, today, today, thank me later, ladies, thank me later. Today, when we were at the bank, and it was like, okay, look, I have my money separated for the purpose that it's intended to be in the direction it's going, because I made, like what we talk about, I put a destination for the money. So something came up today that needed this money and it was there. So it was like, yes, the destination was where it needed to go. However, the other destination that it had to go was more important, and I could have moved it because it wasn't taken away from. It just maybe delayed it a bit, but it's fine. Anyway, I digress. I was like, look at the envelope there, count the money, make sure all is there, because I know it's there. I know the amount is there because I was holding myself accountable, and I made sure when I wrote down on the envelope how much it was, I know that that's a amount. So calm, because I was more disciplined. Listen, my man went, ooh, that's sexy. I was like, what's sexy? He's like, hearing you talk like that. Ooh, discipline. Ooh, you allocated it. Ooh, the direction. Ooh, you're being more accountable. Yes. I was like, that turning you on? He was like, yes, it is, because you never spoke like that before. You always didn't know where your money was. You was never accountable for it. And when you spent it, you really didn't know how much you had. But the fact that you do it now, sexy. So, my Caribbean millionaire ladies, my queens, let me tell you, you want a better relationship? Manage your money better. And then tell your man. And then show him in your presence that you're managing it better. Show him that envelope written with the destination. And when you tell him $500 in there, put him to count it. Put him to count it. And then when he counts his $500, you'll be like, ooh, I told you. And then he gonna be like, ooh, stop. Ooh. If somebody would have told me that managing your money going to spice up your love life and get your man excited because you getting better, I would have started that long time. Don't say I didn't tell you. It's your girl Ameera Groeneveldt on my journey to being multi-millionaire, the first generation Caribbean millionaire in the Caribbean, living here, born here, still here. And if you want to be part of the Caribbean Millionaires Club with my partner Ricardo Mardenbrough, we are the first two. And our goal is to get to, I sweat, it's in Martin. Look at the sweat. I in a car. Anyway, our goal is to get to 100, but we two. So then we got 98 more to go. Check the comments, check the description, join us. And I'm going to tell you how you can get started with learning how to manage your money better, so that you too can spice up your love life, girl. And fellas, if it's you listening to me, spice up your love life, because I am sure you will be way more sexier to your woman if you start to talk disciplined, money, accountability. Ooh, sexy. Anyway, it's your girl. Check the comments.